Hi, Vanessa Shaw here, your business growth mentor with the answers to your questions about growing your small business. And we have been talking money conversations, and particularly some of those money conversations that can cause you to squirm and feel awkward. But this is a place for growth for you and your business, and you'll never be able to take your business to the next level if you don't start to build that money muscle around this particular topic. So here's a quick tip I want to share with you today, because one place I see a lot of business owners struggling with is that moment when it comes to stating their fees. They state their fees and then all of a sudden they find themselves apologizing for it, or all of a sudden they start to talk the person out of it, or they give discounts, or they start to throw in bonuses. There's a whole load of crazy nervousness that happens around stating fees. And the simple tip, the best tip that I was given years ago in my business, is just to state your fees confidently and then remain silent. Just say nothing else, right? Just create the space there for your prospect to actually process what they've just heard, start to think about, do they want to say yes? Do they have some questions? But don't start to muddy those waters with all of your awkwardness that comes up around stating your fees. So the quick tip for today is, next time that you are talking money in business, I want you to start to build your own self-awareness around what actually happens each time you speak money. Is it, do you find yourself fumbling over the words? Do you find yourself wanting to avoid those questions? Do you find yourself kind of discounting or giving away or putting tons of bonuses in and just kind of getting weird and awkward? The first place is already to notice how you show up in those money conversations so that you can start to clean up around those money conversations too. Now, if you like this tip today, please like, comment and share, and I look forward to speaking with you again really soon.